Welcome to the episode number 3 of lead acquisition series for software development companies and SaaS founders. In this very quick episode, I'll be breaking down the entire lead generation process. If you're a software development company owner or a SaaS founder or anybody responsible for marketing and sales or lead generation for a custom software development company, then this video matters for you, right? So without any further ado, let's go to the PC and understand the steps and details. Step number 1, the most important step is segmenting and defining your target audience or the industry. There are 2 steps ahead. Identify your ideal client first of all. Look into the past historic data and understand which are the industries that have invested a lot, that is humongously investing in software development solutions like healthcare, finance, startups. You might also target into a very specific segment such as healthcare practices at Africa looking for patient management system. That means somehow you should be having a very strong clarity in the very beginning that who exactly are you targeting in terms of the industry, in terms of the location, in terms of the size of the organization. You have to ensure that the geographical segregation is the most important thing, because tomorrow when you focus on lead generation or promoting your services, you should be pretty much clear that which is that one geography I should be going after. The next important thing are decision makers, CMOs, medical directors, department heads. So here I have taken the example of a healthcare client like IT directors, managers and CFOs. These are the personas in specific industry. I must say these are the touch points or the stakeholders who might be the influencer, decision makers or users of your solutions. Craft detailed persona for the above on the basis of demographic interest and behaviors. That means you have to spend around 3 to 7 days of time in doing some market research by using AI tools or market survey, maybe primary, tertiary, secondary research, and you have to make a tabular representation of the personas, right? It is going to be very, very helpful for your copywriters, your campaign managers to understand that who is the person who is going to make a decision after they read my article or receive my email. The step number 2 is build your unique value proposition for each of the segment. Now you need to understand, when I'm talking about unique value proposition of each, means you have to also focus that your corporate website is segregated in such a way that each and every segment is serving with a specific landing page. That means you should be keen enough to plan your silo structure of your website as well. And once you plan the silo structure of your website, ensure that this is an example of a positioning statement or a unique value proposition. We integrate cutting edge AI into your CRM to boost customer interaction by 50%. Now this is giving a very clear cut signal to the market that how exactly you help people to generate results. Now the big question is, how are you going to do it? Now if you're a software development company, ensure that even after the deployment or even after the go live or even after the product is already being used or implemented in your client's organization, deploy somebody like customer success manager, product manager, operation manager, business analyst or data analyst to read the data and check what are the quantified outcome your software solution has been generating in their organization, right? How exactly it is helping them to improve their operational efficiency? What are the points where it is helping the organization to cut down cost or improve revenue, and quantify it? This is the most important thing that we have to do. This is what you have to market actually. Service packaging with the USPs. USPs, I must say, these are the bottom of the funnel benefits and features that will add a lot of value in your sales discussions, like compliance, security, cost effectiveness, scalability, integration, user friendliness, support, maintenance, full stack development, etc., etc., etc. Now unique value is something that will introduce yourself to the market, while USPs, once the person get introduced to your brand and they start engaging with your sales team, these are the USPs that customer will look at. That means the benefits, the post-sale benefits that will help them to make a decision. Step number 4, build offer. The time has come to build offers. That means people are not going to buy your service, they are going to buy your offer. Everybody wants to buy, but nobody wants to get sold to, right? That means these are nothing but conceptual downloadable documents or easy to access or easy to download, very helpful materials, problem solving information that will help your prospects to raise their awareness to the higher level, right? Like ebooks, let's talk about healthcare industry, the future of healthcare technology. Right now you are not selling, but you are giving them some material that is helping them to do their daily basis job in a better way, that is illuminating their path of awareness. How to ensure your software meets HIPAA compliance. A white paper can be integrating AI into healthcare system, challenges and solutions, case studies, webinar, cost calculators, technical workshops, business growth trainings, industry reports, consultations, checklist, trial, demos, and infographics. So these are share-worthy content. These are something that your prospects will be willing to share their organizational and personal contact details in exchange of this particular information, right? So I'm absolutely breaking down the entire process step by step. Step number 5. Now the time has come to generate demand by driving traffic and raising the awareness. How exactly are you going to, bring traffic to these offers, right? By content marketing, SEO, social media marketing, and webinar and workshops. Content marketing means create series of video tutorials just like this on YouTube and LinkedIn, like how to cut down healthcare operation cost. Like, let's say if I make a very quick tutorial how to cut down healthcare operational cost, and within that video I give a call to action that, hey, I have my market intelligence team have created a solid guidebook that is going to help you to understand in depth how HIPAA compliance work in your marketing. If you are a healthcare leader, then this particular guidebook makes sense for you. Click on the link somewhere around the video to download it. Right, that means now see what exactly is offer. Offer is nothing but a freebie or a gift. And how exactly we offer a freebie or a gift to anybody? We envelope it properly, we package it properly. This is where you have to use content to envelope it properly and distribute across all the channels. Right, on Google you can leverage SEO, you can rank your specific landing page on keywords like software development for healthcare, etc. Social media marketing, just like LinkedIn, ensure that quick and crisp information, easy to consume information, tips, things to remember, community, start engaging with all the LinkedIn groups and all, start sharing your information there, success stories, short video listicles will work out. And the purpose of each and every content that we distribute to drive attention or demand towards our offer. We can also host webinars and workshops. Host a webinar titled Transform Your Business with Tailored Software Solution. It will showcase your expertise and engage them directly towards your solution. Step number 6, the time has come for lead generation. Once you drive traffic, right, there has to be an avenue where they actually convert a quality landing page with great converting and persuading sales copy. Clear call to action so that they further move ahead in their buyer journey and become a lead or an inquiry or a contact. There has to be form to do a very proper survey and understand the requirement that will further help you to segment your audience into different buckets, and a CRM to manage the data, right? Step number 7, the nurturing. I must say it's an automated follow-up system. It will help you to keep your brand on top of their mind throughout the year. If they're not procuring today, if after 3 to 6 months they are ready with the investment, they're ready with a proper mind, they have some sort of urgency to procure, they remember you. So the lead nurturing part comes into power play here. Use a email automation system. We use GetResponse. We can use HubSpot for email automation with drip campaign. Personalized follow-ups, you can always give them a call as well. You can always give a personalized call, ask the feedback. If they need any help in understanding the guidebook, or if they need a recording of the webinar, or if they want somebody to help them understand the case study, you can invite them for a sales presentation, and this is where the relation begins. In 2024, each and every B2B marketing and sales is going to be consultative selling. It's going to be based on relationship. So these are 7 steps that is going to help you. I want you all, if you're into the software development industry, share this video with your marketing team and sales team, whoever is responsible to take your software to the whole new level. Marketing, inside sales, if you're a director in an organization, then this particular video is going to be ready reckoner for you. If you are somebody struggling to market your software or SaaS business, click on the link somewhere around the video and get in touch with our team and know more how exactly we help their custom IT software development companies to learn demand generation and lead generation for their business in a 10 hours bootcamp that we are going to begin very, very soon. Thank you so much. This is Alok Bhartiya signing out for now. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.